Okay, for example 3, we have y squared plus 4x minus 14y equals minus 53. Our equation is written in standard form. So, ito yung example na naka-standard form pa. So, of course, we need to transform this to, in general form. So, we need to transform this to standard form para mas madaming information tayong makuha. For example 3, again, we need to find the focal distance, the vertex, the focus, the ends of the latus rectum, and the equations of the axis of symmetry and the directrix. I lifted the problem from the learner's module. You can find this problem on the learner's module on pre-calculus, supplementary exercises 1.2 on page 30. Parang 31 ata, pero parang 30. So anyway. So, let's complete the square on y because that's the process on how we're going to transform this general form to standard form. So let's isolate all those with y's on the left side and all those without y or with x on the right side. So we have y squared minus 14y. Leave a space here equals minus 4x minus 53. So we have y squared minus 14y. Again, to complete the square in y, we divide 14 by 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 squared is plus 49. Kita ba? Plus 49. Let's use a different color. 49. This is plus 49. So we add 49 on the left side. We should also add 49 on the right side. Yeah. So this is already a perfect square trinomial. So we can factor that out. So the factor of this is y minus 7 times y minus 7. So y minus 7 squared equals minus 4x minus 53 plus 49, so it's minus 4. Okay. And then this is y minus 7 squared equals, we can factor out negative 4. So we have x plus 1. Okay. So, yung square natin yung y. So, the parabola either opens to the left or to the right. So, for this case, since this is negative, we know that our parabola opens to the left. Okay. Our vertex is located at HK. So, sino yung H dito? Ito yung madami nalilito yung bata dito. Kasi ang alam nila kung sino yung nauna ay nilalagay nila. So, ang common mistake is that they put 7, negative 1 instead of negative 1 because we need to put H first. So, yung kasama ni X ay yung H. So, X minus H. So, negative 1 and then K, 7. Okay. Now, let's compute for the focal distance. Yung 4P natin is equivalent to 4, therefore P equals 1. So we have focal distance of 1. Okay, let's plot. The vertex is at negative 1, 7. Negative 1, this is negative 1, 7. So here is your vertex. And then, since our parabola opens to the left, we need to count 1 unit to the left to determine the focus. So 1 unit to the left. So this is your focus. This is your vertex. This is your focus. And then focus. And then 1 unit to the right to locate your directrix. To the right of the vertex. So here is your directrix. So saan nakita yan? Directrix yan. Okay. And then let's compute for 2P. 2P is equal to basically 2, no? So 2 times 1, 2. We need to count 2 units upward and downward to locate the ends of the latus rectum from the focus. So let's count 1, 2, then 1, 2. Okay. So, gawa ulit tayo ng auxiliary box natin. Auxiliary box. Again, pwedeng wala na auxiliary box. Depende sa inyo. Kasi parang mas maganda lang mag-drawing ng parabola kapag mayroong auxiliary box. Or auxiliary rectangle. Para parang guided lang. Sorry, ay kumana. Para guided lang yung pag-drawing natin ng parabola. Okay, so from the vertex, going to the one end of the latus rectum and then on the other side. Okay, now here is your parabola. Now, let's determine the focus The focus is at negative 2, 7. Negative 2, 7. And then the ends of the latus rectum. Sorry for that. Ends of the latus rectum. So we have negative 2, 5. We have negative 2, 5. And negative 2, 9. Negative 2, 9. And then, axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. Equation of the axis of symmetry. So, axis of symmetry natin ito. Tama siya dapat sa focus at sa vertex. Yan. Axis of symmetry, tumama sa y-axis at 7. Therefore, the equation is y equals 7. The directrix, as you know, tumama siya sa x-axis at 0. So, the directrix, the equation is x equals